In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a scene in Google Vids in just about 5 minutes. This skill is invaluable for content creators, educators, and anyone who wants to save time while enhancing their video projects on Google Vids. So whether you're working on a tutorial, a presentation, or a creative project, mastering the duplication of scenes can streamline your workflow and help you maintain consistency across your video content. Let's get started by navigating to Google Vids. If you're new to Google Vids, it is Google's innovative platform that allows you to create, edit, and share videos with ease. You can access it by going to the Google Workspace or searching directly for Google Vids on your favorite browser. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the Google Vids homepage. The next step is to sign in to your Google account. To do this, you'll see a sign in button on the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will lead you to the sign in page. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one you use for Google Vids or the one associated with the project you're working on. This might sound like a simple step, but ensuring you're signed into the correct account can save you time and confusion later on. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Google Vids. Here you have access to all your projects, can start new ones, or continue editing existing projects. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on how to duplicate a scene within a project. Now go to the specific video project that contains the scene you want to duplicate. If you're in the midst of a project or looking at your dashboard, simply click on the project to open it. Inside your project, navigate to the scene timeline at the bottom part of your screen. Scenes in Google Vids are essentially segments of your video that you can edit, rearrange, and now duplicate. Find the scene you wish to duplicate. This could be a particularly well-crafted scene that you want to replicate with minor changes, or maybe you want to maintain a certain formatting for new sections of your video. Once you've identified the right scene, click on it. You'll notice that each scene is represented visually in the timeline, making it easy to identify the one you're looking for. When you click on the scene, a toolbar or a menu will appear with several options. Look for the option labelled Duplicate Scene. This is usually represented by two overlapping squares or a similar icon. The position of this option may vary, but it's typically found in a context menu or as an option when you right-click on the scene. Clicking Duplicate Scene will create an exact copy of the selected scene and automatically place it in the timeline right after the original scene. This duplicated scene will contain all the elements of the original, including text, images, videos, and any special effects or transitions you might have applied. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a scene in Google Vids. This technique can be particularly useful for creating repetitive sections in your videos while maintaining a consistent look and feel. It also saves you the time of having to recreate complex scenes from scratch. Now, with your duplicated scene in place, you can proceed to make any necessary adjustments. Whether you want to change the text, swap out images, or tweak the timing, you now have a perfect starting point that mirrors the original scene. It's a simple yet effective way to streamline your video editing process on Google Vids. Remember, duplicating scenes efficiently manages your workflow and ensures consistency throughout your project. It's a feature that, once mastered, can significantly enhance your video creation process on Google Vids. Thanks for following along with this tutorial on how to duplicate a scene in Google Vids. We hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to explore more features and tools within Google Vids to truly unlock your creative potential and bring your video projects to life. Happy editing!